think about how I hurt you so after you've been so good to me. I've been unfaithful, darling. I've caused you misery, a feeling of guilt. Oh, you tortured me, and only you, my darling. Oh, can
of sight Jefferson Airplane visits American Bandstand today. From Hollywood, it's time for America's favorite dance party, American Bandstand. And now, here he is, the star of our show, Dick Clark!
Thank you, Charlie. Bless you. Nice to be with you. That's right, Charlie mentioned it. Probably the most talked about group in the whole wide world. The Jefferson Airplane will be here today. We'll be talking to Otis Redding and a special visit with Mark Lindsay to see what he does when he has spare time, if and when that thing ever happens. But right now, a message from a new barbecue sauce with onions from Heinz. Let's open with Tammy Terrell and Marvin Gaye.
Listen, baby. Ain't no mountain high, ain't no valley low, ain't no river wide enough, baby. If you need me, call me, no matter where you are, no matter how far. Don't worry, baby, just call my name, I'll be there in a hurry. You don't have to worry, oh baby, there ain't no mountain high enough, ain't no valley low enough.
Marvin Gaye and Tammy Terrell here. May I have your name and age? Hold on.
All I'm asking
not the best-selling album of the day. It's awful close. It's certainly in the top 2 or 3. It's from the Surrealistic Pillow, which is a mouthful to say the least. Ladies and gentlemen, with a thing called White Rabbit. Let's greet the Jefferson Airplane. That's the first of 2 from the Jefferson Airplane. This has got to be one of the most unique and unusual recordings ever because it appeals to all different kinds of people. People of all different age groups. One of the biggest sellers everywhere in the country. Before we talk to them, let's ask them to do one more and then we'll chat a little bit. Ladies and gentlemen, again, the Jefferson Airplane.
Love.
Grace, would you, as the only lady member here, introduce me to the gentleman, if you will, starting, what'll it be, clockwise, I guess.
All right. Jack Cassidy, bass.
Hello, Jack.
Marty Ballin on piano.
Hey, Marty.
And Paul Kantner on rhythm guitar.
Thought you forgot his name for a minute.
I did.
Man behind you?
Is Spencer Dryden.
Spencer, right? And over here?
Kalkinen.
How are you? You're the closest man.
Clark.
How do you do? How do you do? You know, I told you this would be impossible. You know how much time we have to do an interview with 6 people?
Right.
No? 1.5 minutes. Why did music such as you just performed happen in San Francisco?
'Cause
I was all everything you looked for in a man, but I know that it's not true. I've seen the way he looks at you, and I think you're gonna hang me up again. You got yourself a brand new baby. Don't tell me, baby, is it so? I got to know what's it gonna be. You know. I won't share your loving with another man. And if you see things my way, could you let me know today? But if you decide it's him, I'll change my mind. So now you got yourself a baby, baby. Don't tell me, baby, is it true? I got to know what's gonna be.
Well, sir, I don't know where the time goes, but it sure does fly away. Keep in mind, next week here on American Bandstand, you'll meet the new Raider, Fred Weller. I think Mark Lindsay will be here to do the introductory honors. Question Mark will be aboard. Hope you have a good week in the meantime. We'll see you 1 week from today. For now, Dick Clark. So long.